Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to our channel. In today's new video, let's talk about how you can add people on Telegram. Now, there are a couple of ways to add people on Telegram. Firstly, head to the chat screen by clicking chats at the bottom. Then tap the create chat button at the top right and hit search. Type in the username of the person you want to add. Once you find them in the global search results, tap on their profile and click on add contacts. Alternatively, if you have their phone number, click on create on the chat screen, then select new contact, enter their information, and tap create. This will take you to a chat with the person you just added, where you can send them a message. That's it! And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.